What is up, beautiful people? Today I'm going to show you how to install the Big League Lawns stripe kit, the CheckMate stripe kit, onto your lawnmower. I went and ordered this myself and I'm excited to get this lawn popping. So you open that, you got some instructions, Big League Lawns. I did a lot of research. This was the one brand that stood out to me, so that's why I purchased this. There's the mother load. Look at her, beautiful. Some hardware. And please, before I get started on how to install this, if you find this helpful at all, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so now I've got my handlebars folded over. This is a Toro Recycler 22 inch. I've got, just twist these to the left, and then these will come out and you can fold your handlebars over. And then the instructions say to safely prop up your mower and remove the bagger. So bagger is removed, as you can see. Don't mind my mess. And it is propped up. I've got mine propped up with just a standard auto jack stand. Then it asks you to remove your wheels, your rear wheels. These things are stuck on. So you're going to be replacing those bolts with these bigger ones. You take your new bolt with the washer, one of the washers on. You're going to stick that through the tire. Then you're going to take another 7/16 washer, stick that there, and then your mounting bracket is going to go like this. So, and then you've got your L bracket mounting bolt attached there. Then you're taking another washer and you're going to stick that there. So anywhere where there is potential for any friction, you're going to have a washer. So with all that, now you're ready to install. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hand tighten that as much as I can. Then you're going to take the provided hex key and tighten that down. Now don't over tighten, just get it nice and snug. Then you're going to repeat the process on the other wheel. So again, you're going to take your bolt, your washer, your wheel. From the outside of the wheel, you're going to slide that bolt down through. You're going to take another washer, your L bracket with the L bracket facing in, and then your last washer. Now I'm going to go mount that on the other side. Now we're ready to attach the roller. So right here on the edge of this bracket, you've got two bolts you're going to want to remove. Both bolts are removed and they have a washer, so don't lose your washer. So you got your L-shaped bracket, you're going to set it, you're going to center the roller on the mower, and you're going to take your bolt and you're going to tighten it down, just hand tighten, probably not even tighten, just get it in there, get the bolt started, because that allows you to adjust to make sure that your roller is centered. Alright, so I've got that all tightened down. Even though I've got these brackets centered, these brackets down here are not centered. So do not loosen these all the way. You can just loosen them a little bit. And then this whole thing can slide. Alright, now that is centered, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. These bolts are actually 9/16. Ideally, you shouldn't have to adjust these, but I had to move mine over about a ½ inch just to make it even. Woo! Did y'all hear that? We got some thunderstorms coming through. Oh baby. A little bit of sprinkling coming in. Nice. I'm in Utah and I don't think we've had any rain We had some rain this morning, but before this morning I don't think we've really had any legitimate rain for probably since April, I would assume. And there's some thunder rolling in, baby. I will take it. The lawn needs it. I was hoping to take this bad boy for a spin with the stripe kit on it, but looks like my CheckMate's gonna have to wait at least another day. I'm not gonna have time to get a mowing before that gets here because it is already raining. This was super easy to install. Next we'll show you how the bad boy stripes. I'm really excited. I really don't want to wait another day, but considering the rain, I'll take it. Look at how good that looks. Those are just singles. Looks phenomenal. This Big League Lawn CheckMate stripe kit is money, baby. So just my initial thoughts after using that for the first time is I love it. I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason being is because there's not a quick connect on the kit itself if I ever want to take it off. I don't know why I would want to take it off, but I'm sure there'll be a reason to want to take it off in the future. It'll be a little more difficult. This thing is money. I'm super happy with that. Really makes the yard pop. Super happy. Another comment I have on that is I thought it'd be a little bit more difficult to make turns and to back up and stuff like that, kind of maneuver the mower around different corners and edges and stuff, but it's not. It moves just as well as it would without it, so I'm really happy with that. It's really cool. So those are some bright freaking stripes, man. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's go throw down some stripes on the backyard and see what it looks like. I love this stripe kit from Big League Lawns. It is the CheckMate. Just look at that color. Those are popping, baby. Woo! Love it. Now please, if you found this video informative at all, I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.